Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm finally over COVID and I just want to say thanks for sticking around. I know I haven't put out a lot of videos this year, but I'm doing my best to keep things going. The support means a lot. Today I'll be assembling this high-grade Mighty Strike Freedom, but before we get started, I want to give a special thanks to LVMAMA for the collaboration. LVMAMA is a Toronto-based online store that prioritizes for pricing and fast delivery. They offer free shipping within Toronto GTA area for orders over $200. I usually do strict builds for high-grade kits since they're quite basic. I don't know about you guys, but I just enjoy the process of building models. I often give them away after finishing the build. Since recovering from COVID, I don't know if it's brain fog, but I keep missing things here and there when I build. And I didn't notice the chest was missing the whole time. And I've been skipping so many steps without realizing it. Something just doesn't look right here. The left rectangular part isn't aligned to the center. Just by looking at the gold runners, I knew I would have to repaint them. The injected gold part just looked very plastic. I'm using a deeper shade of gold this time. I really like the pink stickers. They are plastic with metallic finish, and the blue ones are just basic stickers, and I found it quite challenging to apply them. What I love about Strike Freedom is the wings. I usually say I dislike stickers, but these ones are super nice. Not only that they are pink, but the stickers fit perfectly, staying smooth even when you slide the wings out. Now let's connect the 2-pack backpack. You need a stand for this kit because the wings are a bit too heavy for it to stand on its own. The wings sandwich the gold parts in the middle, and only the gold part can pull up with articulation. These white wings can slide open to reveal the pink stickers inside, the 2 beam rifles, one on each side, or you can attach them to the back skirt. The Futsu no Mitama sword goes to the back, and the beam shield to the right arm, and lastly, holding the double-ended beam saber. The yellow reef fin has no color separation, and the sticker makes it look ridiculous. I had no choice but to paint it. This kit comes with an alternate reef fin, and I actually broke it while trying to swap it. I need to repaint the black parts because the nubs are on the side, and I can still see them even after sanding. Applying the blue stickers was such a hassle. I had to peel and reapply them several times, almost ripping the sheet. Time to do some panel lining. I'm using Tamiya panel line accent color in black. It has a drop-down leg joints. It features articulated hip joints, and I guess it's a girl thing to always want to pose with longer legs. I really like the Mighty Strike Freedom, but some parts, like the reef fins and rifles, could use better color separation. I've gone beyond the basic out-of-the-box build I initially intended. Anyways, let me know what's your thoughts on this, and I guess I should start watching this anime on Netflix tonight. Thanks for watching today, and it's time to rest my voice. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Your feedback is always appreciated, so feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next one.